Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you there is an alternative taskbar. You can use it which is available in Microsoft Store. To be honest with you, like Microsoft has recently announced that they are working on a new taskbar features which is more advanced and which having a good performance as well. So let me show you what they have announced, the Microsoft. You can check it out here in this blog. They have posted, they are working on it, and more taskbar customization including vertical and top position, integrated AI where it's most meaningful with craft and focus. They will be working in the copilot area, reducing disruption from Windows update, faster and more dependable file explorer, more control over widgets and feed experience, and simpler, more transparent Windows Insider program, improve feedback hub available straight. So these are the thing Microsoft going to release in April, which is this month only, but you need to wait for these features will be limited to the Windows Insider program only and will be in specific region only. So for that we have to wait. But what I have found, one alternative taskbar for you which work more similar to these features. So let me show you how you can enable these features. So let's get started for this. You go to Microsoft Store, install Microsoft PowerToys. So you can see here, this Microsoft Toys is a collection of utilities that help you customize Windows and streamline everyday tasks. It's having 25 utilities to help you customize and optimize your Windows experience. So I have already installed here the Microsoft Toys. You need to go to the command palette. Here you can see you can search apps, run commands, calculator, search file, add bookmarks, switch between open windows, search the web, clipboard history, find apps or widget. Find command palette extension for widgets, open Windows terminal. Lot of things you can do from here. So let's say I want to search for a particular apps like Explorer. So File Explorer, you can open it from here. It's straight away. It's super fast. And you can see the search is more faster than the normal taskbar, but you're experiencing it. So you go to settings here. This is the dock area. If you enable this, it will allow you an option to docket the position of the taskbar. You can put it on the top. You can bring it in the right hand side like it's shown here. You can put it in the left hand side, or you can place it on the top. Right now here, let me minimize this one. You can see here you can search. Okay, now if you feel like you want to pin it, let's say I want to pin it the calculator. Okay, so right click it, pin to dock. You can see it's very pretty cool. I want to play clipboard history, right click it, pin to dock. Now more interesting here, the CPU, memory, then the network area, and the date and time. You can right click it, you can copy time, copy date. A lot of things can be done from here. These features is more or less quite interesting, and you don't need to wait for these features. If you want, you can install it from the Microsoft Store and let me know how you experience this new taskbar alternative, or actual taskbar from the Windows itself. And if you feel this one is more better, you can use it. Else you have to wait for the Windows to release the new taskbar features, which will be coming in this month only. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.